Enzo.
I'm such a big fan. I got a picture. I got to get a picture with them, man.
Doing? Yeah, no, he got to. I don't know how to work the phone.
I'm a fan. I can sell Prince. I'll be coming back to your autographs and everything on each one.
We coming you autographs, man.
Y'all keep inspiring me. I'm watching every single thing. Non-stop.
You getting in it? Alright, what's good, world? ADMT.TV. Fellas, introduce yourselves.
My name is T-Lo, aka Mr. Skywalker. King Briggs of Coalition. And so, Max Payne. Yes, sir.
Alright, so what's good, world, man? So, we got to see you guys perform, man. Tell the people a little bit about what you guys are into and what you're trying to do.
Well, right now, man, we're working on a couple of projects. Coalition is working on their second project right now. We just released Love Jazz Robots
Like 2011.
2011, and now we're working on a new project called The Inauguration of Coalition. So, C Music Live, that's the faction, that's the company, that's the word.
Alright, that's what's up. And what about you, man?
And so, it's part of my project, Heart of the City. Watch it, it's April 14th, I'll put it out on YouTube. Type in official Enzo Music, NZO, that's official Enzo Music. Download Heart of the City, keep moving.
And that's an amazing body of work. Amazing. I'm not even saying that because I'm related to it. I'm saying it because it's the fact of the matter. I'm saying.
Alright, man, so tell the people for people that don't know, what kind of music are you putting out there? Can you give us an example of the type of music and what people should expect from you guys?
Absolutely, man. I mean, think about it's hip hop, jazz, and electro soul. So pulling all of those things together and just having an amazing time. We're talking about like some Tribe Called Quest meets roots meets, you know what I mean? We're just the object is to tell a story, man, and continue to tell a story and build stories around our vision. You know what I mean? And that's what C Music Live is all about, man. That's why you got Enzo here, you got Heart of the City, you know what I mean? Amazing project. Everything that we're going to put together from this moment on is just going to be about visually piecing together the story.
And what do you guys think you could bring to hip hop? I mean, looking at the state where it's at now, what's going to make you guys, stand out from the rest?
All you can bring is just bring yourself. Bring what you got to offer. And just don't focus on what's there already. You just got to bring what you feel, make yourself different. You got to let the world tell their story.
Exactly. Because every individual has their own story. You get what I'm saying? So what we're going to bring is from our perspective. Sometimes your perspective is your reality. You get what I'm saying? And everyone has a different perspective. So we're just jotting down, writing down, capturing moments and putting it on MP3s, waves, or whatever, however you see it, just to paint that picture so you can hear it. Because it's C Music Live, it's bigger than just hearing it.
All right. So what about videos? Anything out right now that the people can look for and look for?
We got Strangers, Coalition, Blindsided, No Record, got Enzo Golden. You just gotta follow the music, follow the lifestyle.
Alright, so if people want to see more of your work, man, where could they find you?
Let's talk about it. We're talking about www.coalitionmusic.com. That's KOLITION.
Spell it one more time.
That's KOLITION.
One more time, brother. One more time.
KOLITION music.com.
I got And then you got, what is it, brother?
YouTube.com/official Enzo Music.
And that's official Enzo Music.
Enzo.
Oh, okay, wait, I didn't hear it.
Official Enzo Music.
Just in case people didn't get it. Can I get NCO? Can I get amen? Music? Thank you for the choir.
Alright, that's what's up, man. Yo, thank you, brothers, man, for, you know, joining in. Love what you performed, man. It was excellent, man, on point. ADMT.TV. Check us out, man.
One shout out to my brother Case. Hey, Case, man. Can you please step in the camera? This man inspired us to be who we are today. And so you see, he got the Bruce.
Yo, this is an excellent, talented brother here, man. I tell you, man, you know, one of the most inspiring stories that I heard, man. Yeah, thanks, man. You know, I try, man. I try to bring it out the bag when I have to.
Shout out to ADMTTV.com. Like, stop playing, get on it, stop being a hater. I need you to jump on board, man.
Get on the bus. Don't get off. Get on.
That's what's up, man. Yo, and to see more of my man K-Son work, man, where could they see your work at?
Check me out at marshallkson.com.
Oh, what's the shirt? So this is where we can find it.
That's what's up, man. I like that.
www.marshallkson.com.
That's what's up, man. Yo, definitely looking forward to seeing more of your work, man. Again, ADMT.TV. Check us out, man. And what's good, world?